How to enable clipboard and emoji features on Windows. This tutorial shows you how to turn on clipboard history and access emojis with a shortcut. First, click the Start button. Click Settings. After that, click System, then Clipboard. From there, toggle clipboard history on. At this point, this lets you save multiple copied items and paste from a list instead of just the last one. In the next step, click anywhere on your desktop or open a text field. Following this, press the Windows key and V together to open the clipboard panel. Once done, press the Windows key and period together to open the emoji panel. From here, browse through emojis, symbols, and calmojis using the tabs at the top. Keep in mind, clipboard history clears automatically when you restart your PC, unless you pin specific items to keep them saved. Finally, click any emoji or clipboard item to insert it directly into your text field. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable clipboard and emoji features on Windows, give it a like, subscribe for more PC tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.